In today's data-driven financial landscape, the ability to extract meaningful insights quickly and accurately is paramount. GF-ACCORDAI emerges as a game changer, leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to revolutionize financial analysis. This innovative software solution empowers businesses to make informed decisions, mitigate risks, and unlock unprecedented financial value. GF-ACCORDAI stands apart from traditional financial tools. It utilizes sophisticated algorithms to analyze vast datasets, identify patterns, and generate actionable intelligence. This essay will delve into the financial value of GF-ACCORDAI, exploring its unique features, revenue models, and market potential. We will showcase how this groundbreaking technology is poised to reshape the future of financial analysis. At the heart of GF-ACCORDAI lies its proprietary artificial intelligence technology. This cutting-edge AI engine sets GF-ACCORDAI apart from competitors. It enables the software to process and analyze complex financial data with unmatched speed and accuracy. Traditional financial analysis often relies on manual processes that are time-consuming and prone to errors. GF-ACCORDAI eliminates these limitations. It automates data extraction, analysis, and reporting. This frees up financial professionals to focus on strategic decision-making and high-level tasks. The result is enhanced efficiency, improved accuracy, and ultimately increased profitability. GF-ACCORDAI is designed with scalability in mind. The software can handle massive data sets from diverse sources. This makes it an ideal solution for businesses of all sizes. Whether a small startup or a multinational corporation, GF-ACCORDAI can adapt to evolving needs. This scalability translates into significant cost savings for businesses. As companies grow, they can seamlessly expand their use of GF-ACCORDAI without incurring substantial additional expenses. The software's ability to handle increasing data volumes ensures that businesses can maintain optimal performance and efficiency as they scale their operations. The proprietary AI technology behind GF-ACCORDAI represents a significant intellectual property asset. This intellectual property serves as a barrier to entry for potential competitors. It provides a sustainable competitive advantage for GF-ACCORDAI and its stakeholders. Protecting this intellectual property is paramount. GF-ACCORDAI has taken comprehensive measures to secure its technology through patents, copyrights, and trade secrets. This robust intellectual property protection safeguards the company's investments in research and development. It ensures continued innovation and market leadership. GF-ACCORDAI employs a flexible and diversified revenue model designed to maximize value for both the company and its clients. The primary revenue stream is generated through annual software licensing fees. This subscription-based model provides a predictable and recurring revenue stream. In addition to licensing fees, GF-ACCORDAI offers a range of value-added services. These services include implementation and integration, seamlessly integrating GF-ACCORDAI into existing IT infrastructure, training and support, providing comprehensive training to ensure users can maximize the software's capabilities. Data analytics services, offering customized data analysis and reporting to address specific business needs. This multifaceted approach ensures that GF-ACCORDAI can cater to a wide range of customer requirements. It creates multiple avenues for revenue generation. The financial projections for GF-ACCORDAI are compelling, reflecting the software's strong value proposition and market potential. The company projects annual licensing fees to reach projected annual licensing fees within the next 3 years. Furthermore, GF-ACCORDAI anticipates significant revenue growth through its value-added services. The company estimates that these services will generate an additional projected revenue from value-added services annually within the same timeframe. These projections underscore the significant financial opportunity presented by GF-ACCORDAI.